Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm Daniel and today I want to talk about the release of the DJI Mavic, which will happen today. The new drone, the Mavic Air 2. What excites me the most is the price, which will be around €800 or $800, which is a fair price for the things you have with the drone. The drone will have a flight of approximately 34 minutes, which is the best as of now. So it's really a big improvement of the DJI battery, because it has a 3500 milliamps. That's why it allows 34 minutes of flight. The next important update is the camera, which will have a 48 megapixel half-inch sensor, and it will record at 4K at 30 frames per second with a fixed aperture of f2.0. The next thing that they improved on this drone is the active track, which was active track 2.0. Now it's active track 3.0, which you will follow the object or the person way much better. The controller, it's changed completely from design to the transmission, which is OcuSync 2.0. Definitely will improve the quality of the transmission of the aircraft to the controller. The drone also will be equipped with a system of sensor, which is called ADS-B, which picks up signal from aircrafts or helicopters which are in your area, and also let them know that you fly your drone in that area, which is a great thing. Now it seems that the Fly More combo will come equipped with the ND filter as well, which is a great thing, because you don't have the hassle to go on Amazon and buy another ND filter pair, because DJI won't send you. So this time DJI, big thumbs up. Now the downside of the DJI Mavic Air 2 is that the drone itself, it won't have upward or side sensors, so you have to be very careful when flying the drone on the sides and up. Now I just bought my DJI Mavic Mini, and it came up last week, and I saw the update. I have the update done, which you have manual settings on video, and I will test it out this week. So wait up for some new videos on the DJI Mavic Mini. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you are all well, and remember, stay home, stay safe. I will see you guys in the next video. Salud!